Sometimes people ask why I still speak Gaelic, especially living in a city where no one really expects to hear it. Most people don't understand it, and the truth is, yeah, it would be easier not to. Just slip into English, keep things simple. But speaking Gaelic, even just little bits, reminds me of who I am, where I came from, what I care about, and it connects me to something deeper. Not just history or heritage, but people. Like you. Because I know how hard it can be when you're learning, how vulnerable it feels to try, especially when no one else around you is. And I think we forget that speaking another language at any level is incredible. Especially a minority language like Gaelic, because just by using it, you're helping keep it alive. You might start learning it for the passion or the connection, but by showing up and speaking it even a little, you're saving it from being lost to history. So I keep using it quietly, consistently, but the people around me are subjected to daily Scottish Gaelic words of the day in real time. Just imagine how annoying that is. Please keep speaking it even when you think no one else is.